5 curious facts you didn't know about axolotls. Dive into the mysterious world of axolotls, where the omnivorous meets the mythical, and science challenges imagination. Discover how these beings, capable of regenerating in an almost supernatural manner, struggle for survival in an increasingly threatened environment. In this quick journey, we will reveal 5 astonishing facts that will leave you amazed about these incredible aquatic inhabitants. Number 5. They are omnivores. This ability to feed on both plant and animal matter gives them remarkable versatility in their natural habitats, mainly in the aquatic systems of Mexico, such as Lake Xochimilco. The omnivorous diet of axolotls allows them to exploit a wide range of food resources. In their juvenile state, they tend to be more carnivorous, preying on a variety of aquatic invertebrates, small fish, insect larvae, and even small crustaceans. As they grow, their diet diversifies to include plant matter as well, such as algae and small aquatic plants. This dietary flexibility is a key factor for axolotls' survival in changing environments. In their natural habitat, where conditions can vary drastically due to human and natural factors, axolotls' ability to adapt their feeding habits allows them to withstand changes that could threaten species with more specialized diets. Furthermore, the omnivorous nature of axolotls has significant implications for their conservation. Given their vulnerability and the risk of extinction in their natural habitat, understanding their feeding habits is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. In captivity, this understanding helps conservationists and caretakers provide a balanced diet that mimics their natural feeding, ensuring their well-being and optimal health. Number 4. Inspiration for Aztec mythology. This unique amphibian, native to the lacustrine systems of Xochimilco and Chalco in the Valley of Mexico, is not only known for its impressive regeneration ability but also for its inspiring role in Aztec mythology and worldview. The Aztecs, aware of the extraordinary nature of the axolotl, integrated it into their mythology as a manifestation of Xolotl, the god of life, death, and regeneration. Xolotl, the twin brother of Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god, represented the dual and volatile nature of existence. He was the patron of twins, monsters, dogs, and was associated with the underworld and the idea of transformation. The axolotl's ability to regenerate lost parts of its body, including vital organs and limbs, symbolized the continuity of life through death and renewal, a perpetual cycle of resurgence that was at the heart of Aztec worldview. In addition to its religious and mythological symbolism, the axolotl had practical importance in the daily life of the Aztecs. It was a source of food and possibly used in medicinal practices, leveraging its remarkable regenerative abilities. This amphibian occupied a special place in Aztec economy and culture, serving as a bridge between the natural and spiritual worlds, and as a reminder of the interconnection between life and death. Number 3. Motony. Motony refers to the retention of juvenile characteristics into adulthood, a trait that allows the axolotl to live its entire life in a larval form without undergoing complete metamorphosis, as other amphibians do. This amphibian can maintain its juvenile appearance, including its feathery external gills and a finned tail, throughout its life. What makes axolotl neoteny even more fascinating is its ability to reproduce while in this larval state, a feature that sets it apart from other neotenic organisms. Neoteny in axolotls is not only a biological curiosity. It also plays a crucial role in their survival and adaptation. By remaining in their larval form, they can live exclusively in aquatic environments, where their morphology provides advantages for swimming and hunting. Furthermore, this feature allows them to regenerate lost or damaged body parts, including limbs, internal organs, and even parts of the brain, an extraordinary ability that has driven scientific research in fields such as tissue regeneration and regenerative medicine. Number 2. Concerning conservation status. These beings exhibit a characteristic known as neoteny, meaning they can reach sexual maturity without undergoing complete metamorphosis, thus retaining juvenile features throughout their lives. However, behind their popularity and biological uniqueness, axolotls face a critical threat that endangers their existence. Their conservation status is highly concerning. Classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, axolotls are on the brink of extinction in their natural habitat. This worrying situation is due to a combination of adverse factors, including water pollution, the introduction of invasive species that compete for resources or prey on axolotls, urbanization that reduces and fragments their habitat, and illegal extraction for the pet trade. Pollution, particularly, is a significant challenge, as axolotls require clean, well-oxygenated waters to thrive. Waters contaminated by industrial, agricultural, and domestic waste compromise their health, reproduction, and survival. Furthermore, urban expansion and changes in lacustrine systems have led to the loss of aquatic environments that these amphibians call home. Axolotl conservation is crucial not only for its intrinsic value as a species but also for what it represents for biodiversity and the ecological balance of its native ecosystems. Their regenerative capacity offers vast potential for scientific research, with possible applications in regenerative medicine for humans. Therefore, it is imperative to take effective conservation measures, including cleaning and restoring their natural habitats, captive breeding programs for reintroduction, and raising awareness and educating local and global communities about the importance of preserving these fascinating beings. Number 1. Supernatural regeneration. This ability allows these amphibians to regain parts of their body that have been damaged or lost, including limbs, internal organs like the heart and parts of the brain, and even the spinal cord, without leaving any scar. What makes this ability even more impressive is that regeneration can occur multiple times throughout their lives, giving them extraordinary resilience against injuries that would be permanent or even fatal to other living beings. The regeneration of axolotls begins with the formation of specialized tissue known as a blastema at the site of the injury. This blastema is composed of pluripotent stem cells, which have the ability to become any type of cell needed to rebuild damaged tissue. Through a complex and still not fully understood process, these cells differentiate and grow, forming new structures that are identical to the lost ones. This phenomenon is not only astonishing from a biological standpoint but also offers hope in the field of regenerative medicine for humans. Scientists are intensely studying the molecular and genetic mechanisms that allow axolotls to perform this miraculous regeneration, with the aim of applying this knowledge to develop treatments that can repair damaged human tissues and organs, and even cure degenerative diseases.